What if I told you that confidence isn't something you are born with, but something you can actually train your mind to build? Most people think confident people are just naturally gifted. But in reality, confidence is a set of psychological tricks anyone can use, anytime. In this video, I'll share 10 powerful psychological tricks, backed by science, that will instantly boost your confidence, whether in school, at work, or in daily life. And trust me, number 10 is so simple, yet so powerful. It might surprise you. Stay with me until the end. Trick number 1. Power posing. Your body language shapes how you feel. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up, like a superhero. Psychologist Amy Cuddy's research shows, standing in a power pose for just 2 minutes lowers stress hormones and boosts confidence hormones. Before a meeting, exam, or interview, take 2 minutes in private, stand tall, and claim your space. Your mind will follow your body. Trick number 2. The 3-second rule. When you want to act, raise your hand, speak up, or approach someone. Count 1, 2, 3, and just do it before your brain talks you out of it. Hesitation breeds fear. Action builds confidence. Trick number 3. Dress the part. What you wear changes how you feel. Studies show people perform better and feel more confident when dressed sharply. It's not about expensive clothes, it's about clean, neat, and intentional style. When you look good, you feel good, and people respond to you with more respect. Trick number 4. The smile effect. Even when you don't feel like it. Smiling triggers positive chemicals in your brain and signals others that you're approachable and confident. Want to hack it? Hold a pen lightly between your teeth for 60 seconds. It tricks your brain into releasing happy hormones. Confidence begins with simple signals. Trick number 5. Slow down your speech. When nervous, most people talk too fast. But confident people speak calmly, with pauses. Slowing your words shows authority and gives your brain time to catch up. Practice by reading something aloud, 20% slower than your normal pace. Soon, your voice will naturally sound more confident. Trick number 6. Eye contact triangle. Instead of staring too hard or looking away nervously, alternate your gaze between someone's left eye, right eye, and mouth. This feels natural, shows confidence, and avoids awkward staring. Confident eye contact builds instant trust. Trick number 7. Reframe nervousness as excitement. When your heart races before speaking, your brain calls it fear. But science shows, if you tell yourself, "I'm excited," instead of "I'm nervous," your performance improves dramatically. The physical symptoms are the same, racing heart, energy rush, but reframing them as excitement turns stress into power. Trick number 8. The small wins technique. Confidence is built like a muscle, through repetition. Set tiny challenges, speak up once in class, ask one question in a meeting, start one short conversation. Each small win builds momentum. Over time, your brain learns, "I can do this." Confidence compounds. Trick number 9. Visualization hack. Athletes do it before competitions. Imagine themselves winning. Close your eyes and picture yourself walking confidently into that room, speaking clearly, and people nodding in agreement. The brain doesn't fully distinguish between real and imagined experiences, so visualization prepares you for the real moment. Trick number 10. Help someone else. Strangely, one of the fastest ways to feel confident is to shift focus away from yourself. Encourage someone. Offer advice. Smile and make someone's day easier. When you become a source of value to others, you naturally feel stronger, capable, and confident. Closing. These 10 psychological tricks may seem small, but together, they can change the way you walk, talk, and think. Remember, confidence is not about being perfect. It's about taking action despite fear. So here's my challenge. Pick one of these tricks today, and actually use it. The more you practice, the more natural confidence becomes. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 10 tricks will you try first? Drop it in the comments. And if you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned, because I'll be sharing more science-backed strategies to transform your life.